happy with it. If you want to cut the track, all you have to do is, let's say you select your cue down here, select time and loops, and this bar will be down here. This then allows you to cut the track, so we can cut the start time, so let's say we want to start the track just here, and then to end the track we just want to end it just here. That will then cut our track to be only between these two markers. However, you can double click in here and press V to show where you're going to play, so you can just give it a test. However, if you want to fade, all you have to do is click integrated fade. That will add this bar up here. Click a point of starting fade, and then the end point of fade, so let's say you want to fade this like that, and that will then fade the end of your track like so. If I turn the level up, it will then, I'll give you another, and then fade the track down like so. So that's cutting and fading a cue in Qlab.